Hello guys, welcome back to this Cookworks. Today we will be cooking our chocolate moist cake without oven and without mixer. Here's the ingredients. We will need 1 cup of sifted cocoa powder. We'll be also needing 1 cup of sifted all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 cup of our vegetable oil, 1 stick of black coffee, 2 large eggs, okay, 1/2 cup of full cream milk, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and baking powder, okay. We will need also a hot water. First, we will mix the all-purpose flour. This is already sifted, guys. And then, the cocoa powder. Baking soda and the baking powder. Now, of course, let's add sugar. Let's add vanilla extract. The oil. Let's add the milk. And then the vinegar. Then let's now add the 2 eggs. Now let's add the black coffee. Continue mixing it. Let's now transfer this. Let's now transfer this into our round cake molder. Okay. And we will steam this later for about 40 to 50 minutes. We will just steam this for medium heat only. Okay, guys? I think this is now cooked, and then let's now check using toothpick or chopstick. Okay. Let's just cool it down and then slice this in the middle. Let's now remove the parchment paper. Now we will make our choco frosting. Let's pour the full cream milk, the sugar, all-purpose cream, and the cocoa powder. Next is the cocoa powder and then the butter. 2 tablespoons of butter only. Our choco frosting consists of 1 cup of full cream liquid milk. There you go. 1/2 cup only of our white sugar. And of course, the all-purpose flour, I just added 1/8 cup. I also add 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. We'll have to thicken this up. And I also add 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And then, now look at the consistency of our choco frosting. Like that, okay? This is ready. Now we will put this frosting of our cake. Now here's our chocolate moist cake. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to please subscribe on my channel, Cookworks, and share it to your friends. Until next time.